Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best nail gun that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Nail Gun. No matter if you plan to refinish hardwood floors, repair your roof, or tackle any other DIY project you've had sitting around your home for a while, you'll want the best nail gun on hand to help move it along. A nail gun will quickly drive nails or other small fasteners deep into your wood surface without cracking or splintering the wood and reducing the structural integrity. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. Provides consistent firing power in various climate conditions and materials. Tool-free jam install settings for ease of use and improved efficiency. Main features: contoured over molded handle, lightweight, fully cordless design. Number 4. Porter Cable 20 volts Max Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. Our depth adjustment wheel allows you to properly countersink nails consistently. Nail diameter, 18 gauge. Included 1.5Ah 20-volt max lithium-ion battery. Main features: 3-year limited warranty. No compressor needed. Consistent driving depth. Number 3. Cordless Brad Nailer Neumaster NTC0023 Rechargeable Nail Gun. LED lights illuminate work area. Ergonomic handle for comfort and control. Power adjustment dial and oversized trigger. Main features: non-marring rubber nose. Spiral drive technology. 2-in-1 versatile battery Brad gun. Number 2. Metabo HPT Framing Nailer. Lightweight, at only 7.5 pounds and well balanced, allowing for ease of maneuverability and less user fatigue. Great for flooring and framing, truss buildup, window buildup. Main features: new headguard design. Selective actuation. Toolless depth adjustment. Number 1. Paslode Cordless XP Framing Nailer. Guaranteed durability, 50% longer runtime with 7-volt Li-ion battery for up to 9,000 nails per charge. 7.2 pounds for better comfort and control while working overhead or in tight spaces. Main features: compact design, lightweight, all-season formula. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.